Hello everyone and welcome back to Elegance on a Budget. If you're new to this channel, welcome. We would love to have you as part of the Elegance family. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so that you would be notified every time we post a new video. So in today's video, today we are revamping the bulbs we did last year. In case you didn't understand the process and you want to make these bulbs for the holiday, just continue to keep watching. Really, this is pretty much self-explanatory, but I will explain to you the process. So once you apply the acrylic into the bulb of your choice, whether it be a glass bulb or a plastic bulb, you can also make it colored if you like to do so. But you're going to shake it, you're going to lightly hit it, and you just get it all through the bulb. You will dump the remainder of the paint back into its container or dispose of it. And the bulb needs about a 24-hour drying period so that it can dry from the inside out, but it at least needs about 24 hours so that the paint won't shift in the process. We are now mixing up some white glitter with silver beading. You can get the white glitter from JoAnns and also the silver beading from JoAnns as well. You can also get it from Amazon. And this is Mod Podge that we're applying to the bulb. Any type of brand of Mod Podge will do, because they have different types, but any type will do. We normally either use the yellow or we use the orange one. We are now spreading the glitter evenly on the bulb, and at this point you can design the bulb however you like. If you want to put a design in it, you can, or just have just a all glitter bulb, you can do that as well. So as you see the little hand in the video, these little hands belong to my niece. She is so helpful. She loves doing projects with her grandma. So there goes those little hands working. We do want to apologize and say excuses for our absence. I know we haven't been posting like we should. We've been on a whole lot of different ventures, and that is one reason why. But we do want to get input on what you guys think about not just having DIYs, but also opening up the channel for other ventures such as food, like how to plate such foods in like decorative dishes and things like that. So if that'll be something you're interested in, comment below, let us know what you're thinking. We want to get your input as well. So this does complete our tutorial for today. We hope you enjoyed it, and if so, please leave a like down below. Until next time, may God bless you and keep you, and we will see you in our next video. Bye.